Hello, hey, hello, and assalamu alaikum. How are you doing? I hope you all are doing great. And in this video, I'm gonna suggest you some books that you can read to develop your speaking level as well as level up your English. Okay, so for this, at first, I'm gonna give you some suggestions you can read. And today I'm gonna give you only 5 or 6 book suggestions that you can read, and the words that actually used in the book is really great and super easy, so you can easily get this. If you are a beginner, then this book suggestion is for you. Okay, so number 1 is George Orwell, Animal Farm, a book, Animal Farm, and it is from George Orwell. So you can read this, and there are some. This is rather old-fashioned book. So there are some very hard vocabulary, C2 levels vocabulary. You can see here so many C2 level vocabulary. So this is the best book recommendation for you. So you can read the book if you wanna participate in IELTS. So it will help you. And the next one that is really super important that I actually care about, and that is The Psychology and Manipulation, William Cooper. So this book is super easy. You can read this. There are so many people, and you can spontaneously learn the English vocabulary, and also gain some tips and tricks and strategies to control people, and you can also protect your heart from influenced by other, from manipulators. So this book is highly recommended for you. Number 3 I'm gonna show you, and that is so much crucial, and that is Love for Imperfecting. You can see here, Love for Imperfecting. I got the book from one of my friends, and he gave me this, and I started reading, though I didn't read all the pages, but I read some pages perfectly, and there are some quotes that will touch your heart, and you can protect your heart from negative thinking or negative thoughts. Yeah, so this is really another great recommendation. And number 4, that is what can I say? I actually can't explain in words how much important and how much easy words are used here. So you can read the novel, The Silent Patient. So this is a psychological thriller novel, so you can read, and this is also a best recommendation for you from my side. Okay, and when you start reading the book, you can imagine yourself at the place of their Alice or her husband. Okay, and there's some quotes like, only she knows. See, here you can see, only she knows what happened. Only I can make her speak. Only she knows what happened. Only I can make her speak. So, and Aja Finn actually wrote here The Perfect Thriller. So this is best recommendation for you. And another one, Read People Like a Book. So there are so many easy words. This is one of the easiest book from among of them. Yeah, you can read that one, but you hardly get knowledge after reading this book. But you can read this as your prime intention is developing your English skill. So, and another one, and the final one, and that is this, Seduction, Robert Greene. So Robert Greene, Seduction. So you can read the book. This is so large, and there's so fancy vocabulary and old-fashioned vocabulary, but at the same time you can get many things, the perfect words, the perfect words, C2 levels, vocabularies, and also you get some rules about human psychology, about I don't wanna reveal something more important you can learn after reading the book. So this is your best recommendation book. Another so and another book of him, the 48 Laws of Power. You can also read the book and try to take the similar book with great cover and great pages. Okay, so and if in short, if I give you only two book recommendation for the beginner, then these two books are really important for you. I'm gonna show you. Number one, so these two books will give you huge benefit. Okay, so number one is a novel, thriller novel, and that is The Silent Patient, and psychological book, that is Dark Psychology and Manipulation. So these two books will help you to understand English and also explore something else's that you can't imagine. So thank you very much. Spontaneously learn the English vocabulary and also gain some tips and tricks and strategies to control people, and you can also